Demonstrate a traffic light system with a state transitions table. Okay, this is our state transitions table, and this is our total. This demonstrate the total traffic light system. Okay, and when I run this model, you can see how it's work. Okay, so the simulation is run, and this is the theory behind of the traffic light system. Okay. Okay, now I use this I in this model I used as firstly in 3 seconds the green signal will be turned on. Okay, and after the green signal for 1 second yellow signal will be turned on, and then after yellow the green red signal will be turned on for 3 seconds. Okay, and it's continue. Okay, and then after red the green will be turned on, then yellow will be turned on, then red will be turned on, and so on. Okay, the principle I used in this model is the light will cycle through green, yellow, and red state based on the timing. Okay, it's just like a real traffic light. A state transition let us defining state and a transition in a table format really straightforward. Okay, so let's build this model and simulate it. Okay, I'm taking a new model. Okay, and you will find a state transitions table under Stateflow, and this is our state transitions table. Okay, I'm taking to my new model. Okay, and double clicking on the state transitions table, and you will see that here on the left side this is state, and this is transition. Okay, and we need three state. State 1 is our green light, and state 2 will be our yellow light, and we need another state. For that we need insert to row. Okay, state row. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, this will be our state 3, and this name will be red. Okay, and in state green. Okay, and I need to in this state our green light will be 1. Okay, and our yellow will be 0, and red will be 0. Okay, and in state 2 in this yellow, our yellow light will be turned on, and green will be turned off, and red will be turned off. Okay, and in state 3 red light will be turned on, and green light will turn off, and yellow light will turn off. Okay, so we have to give the transition, and I want it to like after 3 seconds. After 3 seconds our status the present state is green. Okay, and we need a next to yellow. Okay, after 3 seconds our states are from green to yellow. Okay, and again here after 1 second. Okay, when the state is yellow, and after 1 second I want it as to state 3 red. Okay, and when the state is red, and after it will hold for 3 seconds. Okay, and I'm setting it as after 3 seconds. Okay, after 3 seconds from red to it will be again to green. Okay, so that's all we need. We are all set up. Okay, now sorry, we have to go modeling, and we have to resolve our symbols. Here you can see all the output. So click on the resolve symbol, and go back to Simulink again, and we need a scope to visualize this. Okay, and I'm taking scope, and whose input will be 3. Okay, input 3 and layout. I'm choosing this. Click OK and OK. Now let's see it's working or not. Okay, now this is our green. Okay, and second one must be yellow. After green, yellow will turn on for 1 second and then red. Okay, and inside scope, let's change the style to color matching. Okay, and channel one, channel active display one is our green. Okay, and I'm setting as, or is it green? This is green. Apply and 2, it is our yellow. Okay, yellow is okay, and 3 is our red. Okay, click OK and OK, and now run this model. I'm taking time 15 seconds. Let's see what happened. Okay, done, and let's check our scope. Now you can see here. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, now let's see here. Now when I think 10 second will give us 3 second grid. Okay, I'm taking 10 second. Now you can see here, you can see at 3 second our all the lamp is turned off, means 0, and you can see the green is turned on. Okay, green light is turned on, and you can see after 3 second, for 1 second yellow light turn on, and then the yellow is turned off again and the red is turned on. Okay, you can see, and again after red the green is turned on, and after green the yellow will be turned on, then the red will be turned on, and so on. So that's the way, using a state transitions table you can model your traffic light and this kind of similar project or like assignment. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.